Hi everyone, it's me, Jasmine, back at it again with another episode of Dine with Pizza 9. Since it is February and it's gonna be Valentine's Day soon with the Day of Love, we thought we would make a heart-shaped pizza. And I don't know if you've heard about the Reddit trend or the Reddit article that's gone viral with kiwi on the pizza. So we're gonna throw some kiwi on our pizza today, but don't worry, it's gonna be a dessert pizza, so it's not gonna be gross. Let's get started. I have our fresh dough here. So in order to make a heart-shaped pizza, we are going to have to take out our dough and roll it out on our cutting board here. So let's take this really quick. Here we go. And roll it out. Now let's cut our pizza. So just use it like a regular cookie cutter. All right, now here comes the tricky part. I'm gonna have to be very skilled and flip this dough onto our pizza pan. All right, let's do this. Pick it up and flip it over. And there you go, a heart-shaped pizza dough. So we are going to let this sit for a little bit and cool down in the fridge, and we are gonna go ahead and start our other pizza, and we'll come back to our heart shape. All right, so many of you may not know, but we have a chicken Alfredo pizza on our menu, and I am going to show you how to make it today. So first thing, we have our Alfredo sauce on our fresh dough here. So we're gonna spread it all over our pizza. Just a little more on the side here. All right. And next up, our bottom cheese, so our toppings stay nice and snug on our pizza, and they don't fall off when we bite into it. We have some tomato on our chicken Alfredo pizza. There we go. Next up, we have some mushroom. And now we have our chicken, because you can't have chicken Alfredo pizza without chicken. And last but not least, bacon. Make sure all of our toppings are nice and protected with our top layer of cheese. That way they don't dry out while it's in the oven. All right, now let's put this in the oven. So we have our chicken Alfredo pizza out of the oven. It smells delicious, so let's go ahead and have a taste. And remember, always cut from the middle. It protects our toppings from falling off. still pretty hot. You can see the steam rising up off of the cheese. All right, let's have a taste. Gotta cool it down for a second. That Alfredo sauce is delicious. It's a nice change from pizza sauce. All right, so our dough has cooled down a little bit in the fridge. So we are going to just coat the top with a little bit of butter. Just so as it bakes in the oven, it gets that nice golden look to it. Just a little more here. All right. And now, let's put this in the oven. All right, so we have our heart-shaped dough out of the oven now. So now, for our dessert pizza, we are going to start with our hazelnut spread with cocoa. Let's put it all over our, I almost called it a cookie because it's almost like frosting a cookie right now. All right, so we have our Nutella sauce down, and now time for the kiwi. I love the color. It's so bright and green. It makes me want to, I don't know, go on vacation to the beach or something. And now, strawberries. So you can make it look like a little heart all the way around. I don't know if I have enough strawberries to do the design that I envision in my head, but we'll see. And then we have just a few more to put in the middle. Okay, let's cut this and see how it tastes. Because it's a heart, I'm not sure how I want to cut it. Let's cut it Chicago style. So it's like a crispy thin crust right now. Let me just get this little corner here and taste it. My plate here. I think I'm in love with this pizza. Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me today for this episode of Dine with Pizza 9. I hope you have a romantic Valentine's Day, whether it's with your significant other, your friends, your family. I hope you have a great holiday. And you know, order from Pizza 9. You can have something sweet and something savory. And we do actually have heart-shaped pizzas at select locations, so make sure to check it out. Thank you, and have a good day.